Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Pepe, see what is happening with the price of Pepe, and of course what we could be expecting going further into this upcoming weekend ahead of us. So as you guys know, pretty much the entire market is seeing a little bit of bloodbath. Of course, if you did watch my market analysis update, I kind of went over as to what really is happening for the broader market. But if you're looking at Pepe, it's down about 5.7%, while the price is currently sitting at 99.78. So you can clearly see the price is back to 5 zeros in front of the price. And if you did watch my most recent update on Pepe, which is before this one, I did indicate that this could be a chance that we do see Pepe going to these levels, and it's just not really a big surprise to me because of course what happened with Bitcoin. CoinGecko is a little behind on the charts. We still have about 4 zeros in front of the price in terms of its price, but it's fluctuating quite a bit. But let's take a closer look. Maybe the price is down to these levels, but if you're looking at Bitcoin comparative, down about 5.1%, as well as Ethereum comparative. Market valuation about $4.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 1.1 billion. But before we get into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the holder count, guys, 267,110 holders, and of course it's increasing as we know day by day. So this thing is really nice to see, of course, if you are a Pepe holder. And let's take a look at what's happening with the broader meme coin market. So the broader meme coin market continues to go down with this Bitcoin move. Down about 5.2% to be exact. Market valuation sitting at 47.2 billion, pretty much across the board except Popcat. Everything seems to be down right now over the past 24 hours, especially the big boys. So that's that in terms of the broader meme coin market. So what you want to kind of take away from this is when you're analyzing this, you want to understand that it's not just Pepe, it's the entire meme coin market right now that is seeing an impact. You are seeing mock coin being impacted quite a bit, down 17% just in the last 24 hours. So pretty much everything seems to be down right now. If we're looking at Bitcoin dominance index, it's picking up, and it's picking up fast. Literally since my last update, which happened yesterday during the flash crash, we were seeing 55.92% in terms of dominance, but dominance is picking up and starting to retest July highs. And again, this is very, very important to see, and this does impact altcoins, especially if this goes up and Bitcoin drops. You do tend to see altcoins being impacted in a negative way compared to the overall market. But let's take a look at what's happening with Bitcoin right now. So let's give it a refresh live. You're looking at Bitcoin actually sitting at $64,456. In terms of Bitcoin's price, it's holding good. I want Bitcoin to be holding at these levels, especially above $64,000. If you've been following me on my channel, you guys know how significant this level really is, and we're being supported by that range, so we'll definitely take that. But we did see BTC retest $62,370. Massive amounts of liquidations across the board, but you can see the price of Bitcoin actually did make its way back above $64,000 before we saw the first daily candle close for August. So pure manipulation at its finest right now. If you're looking at Pepe, you can see this for yourself. It's retesting the exact same support we spoke about in our previous update, which was its all-time high back in March. And you can make this up, guys. That exact same support actually did get retested and is actually playing as a significant amount of support around the 0.00001 zone. And again, this is such an important support because, of course, there's still about 4 zeros in front of the price right now. And obviously, if we were to go below this, that changes. So what happens, if we do lose this support line? What would be the next major support? To be quite frank with you guys, the next major support for Pepe would be around the 9104 zone. And if you want to put that into perspective, that would be a move of about an additional 10%. Could we see that happening? Yes. Now hear me out, if Bitcoin does not hold this level and actually drops down to 62.3 again, with the dominance sitting at this high, this can definitely be something that could be in play as of now. So we need to keep these factors in mind. I know people want to see the continuous upside, but this is why on a regular basis I tell you guys, if the profit that you're sitting is too much that you cannot afford to lose, at least lock some profits in. I don't know how many times I need to repeat this. Some people just don't see it. Some people just get greedy. They think the market is just going to continue to go up. that's not how it works. You want to lock those profits in when you see them. I cannot stress this enough, or someone else will do it. You won't, and you will get left behind. Especially if you picked up Pepe, around the 82.12 zone, which was literally a week and a half ago. You could have been up about 61%, and if you locked it in that range, your stop loss hit, well, you do get another opportunity to be accumulating Pepe at a cheaper price. But pay very close attention to BTC. I do expect that Pepe will rebound very quickly. And what we have seen, the overall momentum over the course of the last few days, how Pepe has been performing, I think we will continue to see that. We're still in a higher high, higher low situation playing out, so that is really nice to see. But one step at a time. Pay very, very close attention to BTC. I would really like to see the price hold around this level. If not, some downside could be in play. The 156 zone could be a realistic target for Pepe if the support does not hold. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.